how does the Secure Act affect legacy or castle trust? And really what we're getting at here is stretch rules.
Welcome to Barry's Bites. Please join our host, attorney and advisor Chris Barry.
What we have in our office is 3 different types of estate plans. We have what we call a basic revocable living trust. And this is a trust that avoids probate, outright distributions to the beneficiaries. So it's a great plan. It avoids probate. We take care of the financial power of attorney, medical power of attorney, etc. Our second level of planning is what we call our legacy estate plan. And this is where we build in what we call legacy inheritance trust. So whatever we're leaving to the next generation is protected for their lifetime from divorces, lawsuits, creditor actions, bankruptcies. And then third type of plan is what we call our castle plan. Castle plan avoids probate, protects the kids, but most importantly protects you from creditors, lawsuits, and most importantly, long-term care costs. So the question is, how does the Secure Act affect these types of trusts that build in the opportunity for lifetime of asset protection? Well, what the Secure Act did in this past December 20th, 2019, which seems like a lifetime ago, right? We were doing workshops on the Secure Act in early January and February and even into early March before the pandemic hit. Again, it seems like a lifetime ago. But what the Secure Act did is 2 things. First of all, is it pushes back the RMD age, so the age you have to take out from your IRAs from 70.5, now it's at 72. And then the second thing that it did is that it said that if you inherit an IRA, not as a spouse, but as a beneficiary, a non-spouse beneficiary, so like a child or anyone else other than a spouse, instead of being able to stretch out the benefits over their lifetime, at most, all the taxes would have to be paid within 10 years. So really what the Secure Act did is, to a certain extent, it killed off the stretch IRA. So now if you inherit an IRA, you can only stretch it up to 10 years. Okay? So prior to this, you could stretch it out over your lifetime. And now the question is, how does that affect legacy and castle trust? So if we build in stretch out language inside of a trust, what does that mean? Well, it means that we can still stretch it to the full 10 years. So the Secure Act says that no matter whether you name the trust as a beneficiary, you name a child outright as a beneficiary, at most you can stretch it 10 years. Okay? With the language that we build into these trusts, we say that it still qualifies as a designated beneficiary, so you still get that full 10-year stretch. If we didn't include that language, then you would be stuck with a 5-year stretch. So what the Secure Act did is, no matter whether we name the trust as a beneficiary or we name the beneficiary outright, at most they're going to have a 10-year stretch, okay? Which means that all the taxes have to be paid within 10 years. Okay? So that's the Secure Act.